Don't be silly. That's what the people do, you know. Make acting, even in a, just for the subscribers, they're acting. Don't be a fool by silliness. The whole world is going nuts because people do not understand what's going on in life. A simple things on the planet seems to be much more intelligently living than human beings. Everyone's talking about politics, everyone's talking about tactics, academia and media and politics. All they're doing is confusing the hell out of you and making you fear. Your fear is making you decide according to the academics, the specialists, the masters, the gurus, the journalists, the reporters, all kinds of people are doing all sorts of tricks on you whilst you are trying to work out the life. Well, if you're not too careful with life and you lose your intelligence within because you're so knowledgeable with your academic understanding, your social media filters that's sending you messages and notifications, all sorts of information that you have gathered. You have this peanut-sized head, mind, thought, which is then in turn can create what you call confusion. With the confusion, you will get stress, distress, anxiety, fear, uncertainty. Call all the fancy names you wish. In turn, all this information you have gathered has turned against your own well-being, turned against your own intelligence, because you gave so much emphasis and importance on the most unimportant matters. Your money, your accounts, your bank balance, everything that you have pretty much continued to carry on with. Nonsensical stuff. Anyway, here I am back at the hotel. Empty space, normally queues all over here, right? But not today. Today we've got just me. It's 9 o'clock. The whole place is empty. Whole place is empty. Huh?